Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, we're going to talk about how to get your social media marketing clients massive results and make $20K per month, okay? I'm getting a lot of people that are commenting and emailing me and asking questions. How do you get your clients results? How do you set up Facebook ads? How do you set up Google ads? How do you do all of this stuff? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give you the easy way. Not necessarily easy way, but I'm just going to say a way for you as a new person, okay? The path of least resistance possible to get your clients results. This is something that's actually holding you guys back. You think that you need to know everything before you start. No, you have to leap and then you grow your wings, okay? And I'm just gonna give you guys the secret, okay, to what's allowed me to literally grow my agency to beyond 30 to 40,000 live a month, okay? I'm gonna give you guys the secrets. Yes, you can set ads up yourself. I know how to do all of that stuff, but I don't recommend you do it because if you want to scale to the next level, okay, and you want time freedom, because let's face it, that's why you get involved with SMMA, is because you want time freedom. And if you're cold calling and you're doing the customer care, you're also doing the fulfillment, you're not going to have time to enjoy your money. And that's why you're starting an agency, so you can be out fishing and vacationing and bike riding and, you know, doing all the things you want to do in your life and not sitting behind a computer running Facebook ads for your clients, okay? So let me show you how to get your clients massive results and make 20K or more per month. This is how you make 20K a month. Now, if you want to make under 20K per month, then you can do all this stuff pretty much yourself. Actually, you don't really need to do what I'm about to tell you under 10 clients. You can pretty much do all that yourself if you have under 10 clients. But if you want 10 clients or more, then I suggest this strategy. Or if you just want time freedom in general, and heck, if I were you, if I had 4 clients, I would go this route versus setting it up myself, okay? So first thing you need to understand is hire a pro, outsourcing, okay? And we're gonna show you exactly how to do this, okay? Outsourcing allows you to build a team. It allows you to leverage, okay? Because a lot of you guys are new, and let's say a business owner says, hey, Bob, you know, have you guys done this before? Do you have any experience? What are you gonna say? I don't. And then he may not wanna go with you. Okay, but if you say, hey, me and my team, we've been doing this for 10 years, and we also have case studies, because in most cases, if you hire the right outsourcer, okay, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this, they'll be able to allow you to leverage their case studies, the results they've gotten for other clients that you can show your new potential client, okay? So this is important, okay? Number one, it allows you to run a true business, okay? Because the definition of a business is something that runs without you, regardless if you're doing anything or not, all right? And so it allows you freedom, okay? So you can focus on getting clients. Your outsourcers or a pro can focus on setting the ads up and really scaling your business. Why, like I said, you have a coconut in your hand, you're on the beaches of Hawaii chilling with your laptop, seeing how many leads he's generating for you on behalf of your client, okay? So it allows you the time freedom, and then it also allows you to leverage your outsourcer's experience, even though you're a dead out flat newbie. Because most of you guys are newbies and you're always asking me. This is the secret ingredient, okay? So you want to outsource it and hire a pro. Let them worry about setting the Facebook ads up, the landing pages, and all of that type of stuff. You worry about getting the clients, okay? Click the link in the description. You guys can get the ICP course, and that gives you all the nit and gritty and the bells and whistles to scoop clients up like clockwork using the phone, okay? And then let them focus on getting your clients massive results, okay? So let's kind of go into, you know, the mindset that you need when you're outsourcing, okay? When you're looking for a pro, to get your clients results, okay? It's only a couple sites. You guys can go to Upwork, you can go to Fiverr. I've done videos like this before, but I wanted to shoot another one going into the new year just to help you guys not focus so much on the Facebook ads, because guess what? There's hundreds of people, okay? Let's get right into it. There's hundreds of people, ladies and gentlemen, that can get your clients results, okay? You don't have to do it. The first place you want to go is Fiverr.com, and then you can also go to Upwork.com, okay? I like Fiverr. I like Upwork. There's a couple more you can use, but for the sake of this video and this training, we're only going to stick with these two, okay? I know a lot of other people have favorite outsourcing sites that they use, but these are the ones I use, and I've done a lot of business with these individuals. So let's say you're just starting an agency, you got the name, you got the brand, you got the ICP course, you're starting to call or whatnot. Just come in here, pick a couple outsourcers, hire them right now, and go to work. So that way, because in the ICP, I show you how to get clients within 7 days. So you can literally have an outsourcer lined up, ready to go. And with the strategy that I teach, once you get that client, you already got them set up. You just reach out to the outsourcer, hire them, and then they can set all the Facebook and Google ads up for you. So all you got to do is come to Fiverr. And I'm just going to scroll through because I'm not trying to plug anybody on this video. I'm just showing you, if I needed an outsourcer, this is what I would do to hire an outsourcer. So you can just go Facebook ads, and then you'll see a boatload of people pop up that you can hire, okay? And these individuals have tons of reviews. You guys can kind of see it. Like I said, I'm not gonna pick any one particular, but you guys can kind of see all these people that, and I'm not talking about individuals that are new, okay? Some of these guys have, over 1,000 reviews, okay? And you wanna look for those individuals that have reviews, okay, like 200 reviews. They have 5 stars, okay? This guy will copy your Facebook ads to supercharge your sales. All right, perfect ad copy. All these guys, Facebook ad campaigns, all this. This is what you do. You hire a pro, okay? Now, if you want to learn this on your own, okay, the flip side of this, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to learn this on your own, you can go into YouTube and you can type in Facebook ad tutorial, Google ads tutorial, or what have you, okay? Same thing with Google, folks. So you can go in and just go Google ads. You can go Google AdWords Manager. But these individuals will literally set up Google ad campaigns for you as well. Okay, and then you can go in and you can leverage their case studies, okay? This is how you get clients results. No more questions about this, ladies and gentlemen. You outsource it. Now, if you want to do it yourself, I will be releasing a course pretty soon on how to set up Facebook and Google ads. It's not going to be cheap, but in the future, that's one of my goals, is to release that. But as of right now, outsource it. It's the best way. It's the fastest way to get in, get a client, and then hire someone else to set up the ads for you. Okay. Same thing over here with Upworks. Okay. So you can go Facebook ads. Same thing, and it's going to do the same thing. It's going to pull up top people, and then you can do all the other little stuff if you want to figure out who's how much they charge per hour, job success, amount they've earned, all that type of stuff. Okay, you want somebody that's earned over 1,000, someone who earned over 10K. Now these guys are really ripping it. And when I say hire a pro, these are the creme de la creme. Okay, these guys know what they're doing. People are hiring them, and they're getting them phenomenal results. Okay, so the higher up that you go as far as that, the more you're going to pay, of course, too. So, somebody that's made over $100, same thing. So this is good with Upworks. You can really narrow it down to the type of talent you're willing to hire, what you can afford. But nonetheless, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I would do. You could do the same thing with Google. You can come in Google Ads and do the same thing. Google Ads experts. You can do Facebook ad experts. These are the top guys, okay, and girls that will get your clients massive massive results. And when I say hire a pro, that's what I mean. Hire a pro. Okay. Now you may not be able to afford, let's just say, these guys here, but maybe you can go a little bit lower. Okay. But if you really want to get your clients results, you will come to these sites and you will hire these individuals to get your clients results. Plain and simple. Okay. This is how you do it. Everybody's really, and this is why I don't focus on it. A lot of you guys have stopped the outsourcing process from literally stopping you from getting clients. Okay. Outsourcing is simple. It's as easy as that. That's as much as I really want to say about it. You go to Fiverr, you go to Upwork, you do your homework. Okay. Make sure that they got positive reviews and you test them out and hire them. And if that one doesn't work, hire another one. Okay. If that one doesn't work, hire another one till you find someone that's dependable, reasonable, and that can get your clients results. Okay. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you get your clients massive results and make $20,000 a month. What does the $20,000 of money come in at? It allows you to scale, because now you can hire unlimited amounts of clients. You can have 30 or 40 clients. Guess what? You don't have to do the fulfillment. Somebody else can. Okay. The reason why most people don't have reliable outsourcing right now is because they're too lazy to go to Fiverr and Upworks and to find somebody. The first time they hire somebody, oh, it didn't work and outsourcing doesn't work, Maurice. But yet I have outsourcers that can set up Facebook, Google ad campaigns for me just like that. Why? Because I put in the work. Okay. This is your agency. If you care about it, hire people that are top tier that can get your clients and make your company run the way you want it to run. Now, if you want a $5,000 or $10,000 a month agency, then you could possibly run an ad yourself. But if you want to make the big money, ladies and gentlemen, you got to learn the skill of outsourcing. Let me say that again. If you want to make $20,000, $30,000 like me a month, you have to learn the skill of outsourcing. Now, I can do my own ads and stuff myself, okay? I don't teach that because I don't have the time to answer all the questions and all the stuff that encompasses doing it on your own, okay? I got mastermind groups and stuff. We talk about it. If you guys want to be a part of that and learn about it, you can click the link in the description, sign up for the ICP, and then you can be a part of our mastermind, and we go over that. But as far as me showing you guys how to do it, it's just easier for you, okay, as a newbie, to outsource it and then maybe learn it on the back end, okay? So, folks, that's it. That's how you get your clients massive results and make 20 big ones a month, okay? This video has helped you. Make sure you comment below, hit the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. And it also allows me to continue to post videos like this. It lets me know that you guys like the content, and I'll continue to work for you. If you guys need help, you want more in-depth strategies on how to outsource, how to get your clients results, how to scale your agency, click the link in the description. Grab the ICP course. We go over this in more detail. I'll give you some other secrets and ins and outs of what I look for precisely when it comes to outsourcing, and how my agency was able to really scale and make, $30,000 a month by hiring outsourcers and all that good stuff. So click the link in the description, grab the course. If you guys want me to mentor you on outsourcing and all that good stuff, hire me as a coach. We can talk about it and possibly show you how to scale your agency to the moon and beyond. All right. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.